What's up, guys? Robeytech here. We are going to go hang out with Greg Salazar. We got Britnaynay and Josh. We're going to go do an escape room and actually go enjoy a little food down at Disney. But I am just realizing it is way nicer today than I thought it was. So I'm going to go change into some shorts and a little bit of a lighter shirt. We'll see you guys on the road.
So what's the manliest thing we can do this morning?
Apparently drive to Orlando. For those of you who don't know, Kevin actually introduced me to my first NFL game. It was the first one I've ever done.
I didn't know I was doing that. So we're like there at the game. He's like, by the way, I've never been to a game before. I'm like, what?
Avis has this luxury, and we got a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Would you consider, would you classify what we are in right now as a luxury car?
I will give this officially a score of meh.
Guys, we are in Starbucks now. I never do a Christmas ice drink. The idea of getting a iced chestnut praline latte hurts me.
Seems odd.
Yeah, it
but
does.
Peppermint mocha iced is
Would you
fire.
do it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's
all
good?
the time.
Okay, so
it's in my rotation.
So you are
sometimes hot, sometimes cold.
So we talked about Britnaynay and Tech Tesseract, so we are meeting. We're meeting them. We were also supposed to meet Greg Salazar, but his wife...
I was looking forward to that.
Yeah, he texted me first thing, and his wife is having contractions,
yeah.
and they're on the way to the ER.
Super happy for him.
So Greg, hopefully by the time
awesome.
you guys actually see this vlog, Greg will have a kid.
He's pulled off the ultimate, sorry, I can't make the meeting.
Yeah. There's
how could you top, sorry, I can't make the meeting. I'm having a baby. Okay.
How do you even top
Can't
that?
be mad at you for that. I'm happy for him.
We did a live stream, basically celebrating 12th Gen Intel, and we did that with Kevin and his team at Origin.
Yep.
And I was like, hey,
Marcus Kennedy from Intel.
Yeah, and so I was like, Kevin and I hit it off. I was like, hey, you should just come with us to go meet these guys, because
You're
they're
like,
always
what are you doing Saturday?
Yeah.
I'm like, I was gonna do some work and play some video games. That's about it. He's like,
Play
you want to
some
go on a
Forza.
road trip? I'm like, yes, I'm in for a road trip.
So I was like, hey, you should come meet these guys. So we're gonna introduce him. We're gonna introduce him to Naynay and Tech Tesseract. But the other thing too is I was like, we're gonna go do an escape room, and you've never done an escape room.
I've never done an escape room.
And I have two people behind us who are in our part of my team. They have also not done an escape room. Here's the question: if you could have a superpower, what would it be and why?
Live forever. That one.
So eternity. It would be eternal life. So you're like Highlander, like Duncan MacLeod. I think mine would be teleportation. Being able to instantly go anywhere. The difference between something like you and an NZXT is that you guys will go everything from not just custom parts or a selection of parts, but all in all pretty much custom, but also custom looping and everything like that.
Custom looping, choose the color of your tubes, choose the color of your liquid, choose the color of your power cords. Like anything else in the world, there's a lot of people that get into it and they want the best version of that in that category. Yesterday
when I got the little brief tour that we got, I was just super impressed with what you guys were able to build.
Thank you for coming down and doing the tour, taking the time.
Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this little section of the vlog. When we come back, you guys will actually see us. We're going to be jumping in, hopefully having some lunch with Britnaynay. Maybe Greg will be there, maybe not. We'll have to see. Two of my favorite people are here. We have chatted so much, and we have basically cross-collaborated, a number of times just in chatting on Instagram and watching their whirlwind romance basically happen.
The story.
The
story.
Saga. Yeah. I think I probably told that story I told it to him on the phone. I told it to so many people.
Story.
And but now I'm here in Florida, and I was like, I absolutely need to hang out with these two. So just so you know, Greg was supposed to be here too. Greg's having a baby. That seems like
it's pretty legitimate
that's a legit excuse to not be here. So Greg's having a baby, so we're here, and the plan for today is we're gonna have lunch at this place, which is Indiana Jones themed, and then we're gonna go do a escape room.
That's gonna be good.
Yeah, and you've done an escape room.
I've done an escape room.
And you've done an escape room, but Kevin has never done an escape room.
Rookie,
yeah,
never done one.
We're not gonna fail.
We won't fail.
We cannot possibly fail.
We cannot possibly fail. I know I'm from Seattle, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna be dressed for Orlando. I wish I would have wore jeans. I might actually go buy a shirt, but I did buy.
Oh, here we go.
Already, the Bugatti Razor.
Wow.
We're still working on our Bugatti sponsorship, you know, because that'd be pretty rad. And when's the what? Do we have a date?
Don't have a date. Should be around July sometime next year.
And I'm the first person invited.
Of course.
You got it on camera. And then you guys have combined your brands now. Your channel's like
Yeah.
all the same.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
So I
so
thought it'd just be like way better to combine content because we both do the same stuff. It
Yeah.
didn't seem to make any sense to have like 2 separate channels.
And we're working
then
with the
make
same
it
brands, and they were reaching out for us to do the same product reviews. So it doesn't make sense to be in competition with each other. You know what I mean? Like wondering who's getting the more views, or
And
you
it's
know,
way more fun as well, like being able to do it.
working together. Yeah, definitely.
you guys are the new tech power couple. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. We're gonna go enjoy some food.
Let's go.
And then talk shop, and then we'll be back. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
It's so good.
You gotta dip it in the sauce.
Yeah. Wait, what sauce is this?
This is it's made from the tears of children.
Nice, let's try it. It seems hot. I'm gonna take a tentative bite.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, empanadas are.
Nice.
Yeah, there we go. Tears of children, tasty. Josh approved. Right now, we are walking ourselves back into the game. Now, we know very little other than it's Gold Rush. That's the only thing that we know. Almost nothing.
Oh, wow.
See this? Bird. Oh, here's a comment. Birds, owl, bird. There it is. Got it. Go! Maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's the code.
Let's go.
Oh,
Oh,
there wasn't. Oh, what's...
Yes!
Let's go.
Ah, there it is. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool. Here. Go.
Yeah.
Open the door. Hey!
2 minutes.
We did it. Was that it? Oh, we did it. Yeah! My heart is racing, so that was like super intense.
Awesome.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're gonna love it.
I have to say that you guys are exactly as cool as I thought you would be, and I would hang out with you every time.
Hell yeah.
Like no problem. This escape room, like we bonded. And now that we owned it. We owned
did.
it. We have to say, we owned it. Thoughts, what do you think?
It was awesome, yeah. There was like, so the first part I was like, this is okay, but that was pretty intense towards the end. Yeah.
I like
When the fireplace opened,
Oh yeah, that
I
was
was like,
sick.
then we're like, wait, do you have to crawl?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
and then it was like legit.
I'm a kid again.
Yeah, exactly. Like, we're not gonna tell you how to solve them because we promised we wouldn't. But like, the logic on the last one was a little,
Yeah.
that was. Yeah, that's when it went 7 out of 10. I think it was like 5 out of 10, and so they're like, well, we got to make this 7 out of 10, so let's make this like ridiculous puzzle.
Yeah.
So if you have not done an escape room, and we did the escape game in Orlando. So if you're in Orlando, yeah, you should definitely check it out. But here's our tips. Look at everything, and anytime you open something, just because it's what you see is obvious, doesn't necessarily mean that you've gotten
the
everything.
solution.
Yeah.
And brush up on your math skills.
Yeah, brush up on your math. Yeah. And then
Mathematics.
brush up on your memory skills. Because all in all, I was like, wait. I was like, every time we do something, okay, what was this one again, Josh? Okay, what was this one again? So we got that solved. This was absolutely fun. Now we are going to head back to Miami. You guys are going to head back to where you
We're
go.
gonna go to IKEA.
Oh, yeah, IKEA.
No,
There you go.
IKEA.
Oh yeah, go to IKEA.
We're gonna go to, they're going to go to
Really?
IKEA. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for hanging out.
Thanks
It was
for having
awesome.
us.
It was super fun. Bye, guys.
See you later.